Hey everyone, it's Bubs Bee here and I'm so happy you stopped on this video. You guys see the title, let's get into this hairstyle. I am going to be using some products from Uncle Funky's daughter, so I'm so thankful they are partnering with me today. So we're getting straight into the video. My hair is already clean. I've already shampooed it, but I did let my hair dry overnight, so I'm just saturating my hair with water first before adding their hair mask. And I'm using their Heal and Renew Intensive Hair Mask. If I ever need some hair inspiration or I just want to give myself a treat, I do go in with a great hair mask, and the Heal and Renew is a great silk protein hair mask. I do my hair constantly, so I can easily get bored with my natural hair and want to switch things up, and I love using this mask to give me a really great deep hair spa. What's so great about this hair treatment is that it's actually infused with silk. It has baobab oil, argan oil, peppermint oil, avocado oil, organic aloe vera juice, and these ingredients are great at strengthening and replenishing moisture. So I like to apply it from the ends of my hair to the root and make sure to focus on my edges because I am going through postpartum shedding at the moment and I'm trying to get anything to help promote hair growth, and this hair mask is perfect at doing that. Now you can use this monthly as part of your deep cleansing wash day routine or as needed when you want to restore moisture and balance into your natural hair. So that's my first tip. If you want to switch up things when it comes to your natural hair and you're getting a tad bit bored, find you a good hair mask. And with each product that I am showing you all today, you can get 15% off on your online orders. Just use my code BUBSBee. After detangling and applying the twist, I will add a shower cap and also my heating cap over top, and I'm going to let this mask sit in my hair for about 30 minutes. If you ever want to rev up a hair mask or a deep conditioner, use heat. I highly recommend for you to use heat with this hair mask. Now, after letting this sit for about 30 minutes, you can see that the product has actually penetrated into my hair shaft. You don't see product sitting on top of my strands anymore. My hair is so soft, so moisturized. And after rinsing it out, you can see my curls are plump and juicy, and this 4C hair is loving every bit of it. Now it's actually time to style, and I wanted to go for something super quick and easy. Tip number 2, when you're getting a little tired of your natural hair, go for styles that don't take long at all. I love wash day hairstyles, but I also love hairstyles that can last me days upon days, and going in with a great styler is key. I'm using their Super Curl Miracle Moisture Cream. Now this is going to give your curls extra moisture. It is a creamy hydrator that has dual power abilities, so you're going to get extra stretch in the style, and you're actually able to detangle your curls with this product. So I really do enjoy using this. I like to use a generous amount, so I apply it evenly. I will detangle with my detangling tool, and then I'm just going to braid the section up. I'm doing medium to large braids. You can do less braids, more braids, whatever is easier for you, but I wanted to ensure that I'm getting some definition. I didn't want my braids to be too big, so this is a perfect size for me. These products smell amazing. The smell does linger, and I love that. When I am styling, when my hair is drying, I can just smell the fruity and bright fragrance from these products. The Super Curl has sweet almond oil, which helps moisturize and leave an elegant feel to the hair. Like I said, it will soften, it defines the curls. It's definitely your one-stop product to ensure that you're preventing hair breakage and hair loss, but also retaining length and promoting healthy hair growth. That's always the mission. Healthy hair growth while having fun, you know? Now I'm gonna let these braids dry. You can let them dry overnight, but because I'm getting a little tired with my natural hair, I let these dry for a couple of days, okay? I'm going in now with the 3-in-1 Shine Booster, and I'm going to apply this product all over the braids first before actually unraveling each and every braid. Now I love the Shine Booster because first off, the smell, amazing. The glow, the silkiness, the shine it gives and delivers. You can see how shiny my fingers are, how shiny these braids are looking. It gives you great strength, it reduces frizz, and it does have 11 essential oils in it. That includes manoi oil, grapeseed oil, avocado oil, coconut oils, and vitamin E. And another reason why I really do like this oil is because it doesn't leave your hair heavy or weighed down. It actually has the texture of a serum, and I find that this makes for a great heat protectant, and also to ensure that your hairstyles get a shiny finish. Now I'm going to use a lot of this oil because like I said, it doesn't weigh your hair down at all. I'm telling you, it is so light with that avocado oil, which is great at strengthening and preventing damage, but that vitamin E is going to help your hair elasticity, strength, and shine. Okay, another tip is to use products that work. Okay, that's a go-to. That's the number one. All right, use products that actually work for your kinky hair, your natural hair. Use products that are going to give you the results you desire. Now, after unraveling the braids, I didn't want to go for a simple braid out. Here's another tip when it comes to revamping your natural hair or just adding more excitement to your natural hair routine. Do a hairstyle. Do a cute and fun hairstyle, and I opt for 2 ponies in the front and leaving some hair out in the back. I'm going to fluff and shape, leave some tendrils out on the side, and the look is complete. Right now, I'm in this season of having fun with my natural hair, enjoying it to the fullest, but also just keeping it simple. And I really do hope these tips were helpful for you. Maybe you're feeling the same way I've been feeling, but these tips help me, and it keeps me motivated to continue to create natural hair tutorials for you guys, hairstyles, and to just get a great look in the end. Let me know if you've been feeling the same way I've been feeling. Are you a little bit tired of your natural hair? Do you need some more hair inspiration? If so, let me know. I can create more tutorials for you guys. I'm so happy you stopped on this video, and I thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you all in the next one.